Hello everyone, this is Leonard Tan from Orange Tea and Thai AAG division. Let's take a look at this 3-room high floor unit at Boon Tiong Road that has recently hit its 5 years MOP. This unit is bright and breezy, and what I love most about this house is the amazing unblocked view. What a day to unwind after a busy day at work. This 667 square feet home comes with 2 spacious bedrooms, comfortable living and dining hall, a functional kitchen, and a service yard. The living room has a modern finish with sports lights and functional cabinets to store away your items while keeping your living space minimal and clean. Now, a plus point to these bedrooms is that it is not fitted with any major fixtures. This means you do not need to spend tearing down existing fixtures. You can design and decorate the rooms to your preference. Block 10B is situated at Tiong Bahru, just a stone throw to Tiong Bahru MRT station. You'll be spoiled for choices with many cafes, restaurants, markets, and Tiong Bahru Plaza in proximity. You'll never run out of food and marketing options to meet your daily necessities. This is now your opportunity to own and stay in one of the most sought after estates in Singapore. Contact me today for an exclusive viewing.
AAG, the #1 top division in Orange Tea and Thai.